each one of you on my channel. I hope this video finds you all in the best of health and all of you are taking care of yourselves. Francis Bacon has aptly said, reading make a full man, conference a ready man, and writing an exact man. This video is a small tribute to my Papa, or Bishop Papa as I called him, Most Right Reverend John Morris, a man of great memory, wit, and discipline, who was promoted to glory on 14th of April 2021. A bibliophile, he has a huge collection of Bibles, commentaries, encyclopedias, daily devotionals, biographies, and theological dictionaries, accounting to more than 1200 books in total that I will be showing you today. His love for books knew no limits, and he even kept our school and college books with utmost care and love. He got shelves and almirahs customized as per the collection of his books. I will also insert few pictures of all our college and school books that he preserved, and I will let you all have a look. I will take you all through the shelves and randomly show you all few of the books, their authors and genre if different, as mostly all of them are in the biblical category. I will also share my personal favorites given to me by Papa. So come, let's get started. I will start from the Blue Almirah. He also attended so many conferences all through. You all can have a look. Inaugurations of so many churches, a lot of conferences and meetings. He was a highly decorated man. There's an average of 20 books in each shelf, and the grand total in this room itself is 764 books. Here you can see from this side, there's Introduction to Christian Theology, Bible Shabdkosh, then again a dictionary, then again few Bibles. There's a Master Bible Study Bible as well here. In These Mortal Hands, Pastoral Care and Counseling, Christian Ethics, 70 Great Christians. So here you can see I've taken out this Master Study Bible. This is a King James version and it has a nice print. The other book that I took out is 70 Great Christians by Geoffrey Hanks, Changing the World. Let's get on to the next shelf. Here again you can have a look. There are lots of guides, commentaries, as well as some counseling books. Like here you can see The Marriage Affair. Then A Man of the Word, NIV Study Bible, Daily Walk Bible. Then there are 3 books of the New Testament. The MacArthur Testament Study Book, commentaries. Yes, these are commentaries. These 3 over here are commentaries of Colossians and Philemon, Philippians, Ephesians. Next, a theology of the New Testament, then again a huge commentary. I will show you this red commentary right now, and also the Wilmington's Guide to the Bible. I also found this souvenir guidebook which Daddy got when he went to Amsterdam, and this contains all the pictures. It's an old edition, quite an old edition, but surely a must read for me. Then, as I promised, this is the Wilmington's Guide to the Bible. Let's see the print. Okay, so the print is not as big as I thought. I can show it to you. And then again, this is the commentary that I was showing you, that it's so huge. The print is very small even though. So for such prints, Papa used to have these reading lenses or magnifying glasses, as whatever you can say. Previous year in 2020, he also had a cataract operation for his one eye. So somebody who's fond of reading, and as all of you know, he just had one eye. He lost one of his eyes as a kid when he was small. So he used to keep these things. These things were quite handy for him to read. This is the third shelf. And here again we have Bibles, the Living Bible, commentaries. Then there's a God story by Anne Graham. Then Bible Naya Niyam. Then again specific commentaries like the New Century Bible Commentary, 1st and 2nd Corinthians, Invitation to the New Testament, Process Theology as Political Theology, Soul Friend, Harper and Row, The Christian School, an introduction by Noel Weeks, Mission Mandate, Expository Dictionary, and so on and so forth. This is the last shelf of this blue almirah. And here we have one of Papa's favorite authors and preachers of all times that he really admired, Billy Graham. Day by Day with Billy Graham. I've seen Papa read this book alongside his Bible as a daily devotional. And then there are these other few books along with a Bible again here. And this is New Testament again. So we have completed one almirah with 4 shelves. It would be not possible for me to show you all one book from each shelf because that will again make the video very long. So I will take it a little fast. This is the grey almirah. Here again, minimum of 25 books, average of 25 books is there in each shelf. There's a pictorial Bible atlas, Matthew Henry's commentary, Rees chronological Bible, Gospel of John, Interpreter's Bible, Baker Encyclopedia of the Bible, Jerome Biblical Commentary, and then Illustrated Bible Dictionaries. Here again, then we have lots of commentaries, Bible, as you all can see. So here I'm mentioning this book. This is Theology and Contemporary Challenges and Encounter, and the editor is Reverend J. Sundaraj. And it has a lot of other professors from Allahabad Bible Seminary. Their names are mentioned in this. I'm so happy to see this book here. And again, see there's a book, A Rich Retirement. Then Warner Salmon Art Edition, King James Version, Tell It Well. Biblical Christianity in Indian Perspective. Then again, Clergy, Couples in Crisis, Preaching to Convince. Again, so many commentaries. Then again, related books, commentaries related to specific books in the New Testament. And then again, you can see these are all commentaries as per the book of the New Testament. Exposition of the whole Bible, Daily Study Bible. Then again, I suppose coming to this wooden bookshelf, there's one problem with this is that we don't know how to open this part of the shelf. Papa had a carpenter who used to customize a lot of shelves and everything for him. So maybe once when he comes, he can clear it out that how this particular door has to be opened, because we are not able to figure that out. Nor was it that he used to tell that how this thing can be opened. So a lot of us tried, but I'm sure the carpenter can help us with that. So this side of the books, I'm sorry, I will not be able to take that out. But each and every book in this office is in a very good condition, is in a very nice stage. None of them are torn or anything like that. Even if they Papa used to get them binded very soon, and none of them are in any bad situation. All of them are in very good condition. So here you can see there's the Daily Stoic, Morning into Dancing, Victorious Living, Good Seed, and then again an interesting book, The Biography of Fulan Devi. I'd like to actually read this one. So he did have a good collection of biographies apart from keeping a lot of theological books. Here then again we have Bibles, few daily devotionals, and books like Ordinary Men Called by God, I Saw Heaven Opened. Then Living His Life, Strength of by Joni. Christian Living, Derek Prince. Yes, Derek Prince is again one of Papa's favorite. A lot of books he ordered online, or he got them shipped from States or UK, because he was really very fond of studying. I will also show you a massive collection of encyclopedias from in the alphabetical order. That has what really got my eyes and interest as a kid. I will show that also to you. So this is one of the books, Through the Psalms with Derek Prince. Derek Prince is again one of Papa's favorite. These are again few random diaries of his and books. This is the last shelf, the grey shelf. And you all can have a look. Here the average is around 30 in each shelf. And lastly, then there are some random books and commentaries again. He was also very fond of art. He loved to have paintings. This is one painting where Jesus is washing his disciples' feet, and this is something he got made. Maybe the name of the artist is mentioned here, and also the year, Shalini 2000. And she's the hands behind this wonderful workpiece. He also loved getting clicked, and there are so many pictures here. Such fond memories. These are my Dada and Dadi. This is my Dada, Abel Morris, and this is my Dadi. So basically, my Dada worked in the European Union. He was a Persian who came to India. And these two small kids used to be in his office in seminary, but maybe this is something that I broke, and then they went inside the cupboard. But today, for the tour, I got them out. This is the only picture of my dad where he is having two eyes. He used to tell us. This is my Papa's elder sister, and this is my Papa's elder brother who is still alive. The elder sister is no more, but the brother is still alive. Then again, here she's one of my sisters. Uh, this here again is one of my Papa's first cousins and brother. And this is all of us when they visited us in one of the Thanksgiving's services. This vase again is what Papa got one of the one of the craft melas. And here, yes, again one mention. All these almiras are on these customized wooden rack or support, sort of like something that can easily carry them if we push them. So that is how he got these things made. He always used to keep any cupboard or anything on top of either bricks or something that does not let things get in a bad state easily. So this really saved these almiras, and the beneath surface could also be clean. My dad was very fond of cleanliness and keeping his things in a very tidy manner. So thank you so much all for watching this small video. I will also talk about my dad's last journey. This is not the right time. I will surely talk about how things one did go, how things went in the last few days, what happened, because for a lot of you it's a huge shock, I know. But he did not die of COVID. And again, in a different room is a teakwood almirah where there are Bibles, Papa's devotionals up. Then again, lots of Bibles, commentaries. And this is the collection of encyclopedias that I always used to be interested about. I still have lots of interest. They are 19 in number, and they were shipped from outside. And I don't know, maybe shipped or he got it from outside. So they are all in alphabetical order, like A is different, C is different, few alphabets are together, like N N O, Q N R, U N V, W X. These are my personal favorites, gifted to me by Papa, given to me by Papa. This is a Bible. They gave it to us when they came to meet us. Then he was very focused on oratory skills. He was a man with excellent oratory skills, and that is what he wanted for us as well. So he gave me this Wren and Martin, the latest edition, one of the latest editions. He wrote to them and he got it from the particular publisher. I don't remember their name, I'm sorry. Then this is another one book that I've really liked, and I always carry it with me. This is by Major F.K.K. Sarkar, Memoirs of a Soldier. This is a Bible again, Winning Encounters, which also mentions testimonies by athletes. I got it as a teenager, and this is what I got before getting married. This is a workbook. I still haven't worked out a lot on this, but I've read it, and it is a really nice wonderful gift to me, a blessing. I will carry this with me all through. So much to learn, and this is by All People's Church, Bangalore.
शून्य से लेके तूने मुझे रच लिया अपने ही रूप में, प्रेम किया है अनंत प्रेम से, दिया पुत्र मेरी मुक्ति के लिए। अनोखा प्यार है तेरा, करूँगा स्तुति तेरी मैं सर्वदा। अनोखा प्यार है तेरा, करूँगा स्तुति तेरी मैं सर्वदा। जग में आया यीशु स्वर्ग छोड़ के, मेरा सर दंड सह लिया उसने, कोड़े खा के क्रूस उठा के यीशु ने मुझे मुक्ति और चंगाई दे। जंगली दरख्तों के दरमियाँ एक सेब के पेड़ के समान, जंगली दरख्तों के दरमियाँ एक सेब के पेड़ के समान नजर आता है मुझे मसीह, नजर आता है मुझे मसीह। सारे संतों के बीच में तू, सारे संतों के बीच में तू, हम करूं मैं तेरी है प्रभु, अपने जीवन भर इस जंगल के सफर में गाऊं शुक्र गुजारी से मैं, गाऊं शुक्र गुजारी से मैं। तू ही है नरगिस खास शारों का, हाँ तू सोसन भी वादियों का। तू ही है नरगिस खास शारों का, हाँ तू सोसन भी वादियों का। संतों में तू है अति पवित्र, संतों में तू है अति पवित्र। कैसे कामिल और शान से भरा, कैसे कामिल और शान से भरा। हम करूं मैं तेरी है प्रभु, अपने जीवन भर इस जंगल के सफर में गाऊं शुक्र गुजारे से मैं, गाऊं शुक्र गुजारी से मैं। इत्र के जैसा है तेरा नाम, खुशबू फैलाता है जहां में। इत्र के जैसा है तेरा नाम, खुशबू फैलाता है जहां में। तंगी मुसीबत और बदनामी में, तंगी मुसीबत और बदनामी में बना खुशबूदार तेरे समान, बना खुशबूदार तेरे समान। हम करूं मैं तेरी है प्रभु, अपने जीवन भर इस जंगल के सफर में